Be one big kitchen for you to keep clean.
Housekeeper. So the warm board floor is all covered up. This is the underlayment, and you can see where he's marked where the tubing is, so that he doesn't hit it when he's putting in the floor. And that's going to be the trim. And then he did all these, my husband did all the trim work, and he's doing the floor, and I love what he's done. Hey, Mom. We're gonna have like some kind of stained glass something or other put in up there. And have decided he's gonna build these beams, faux beams, and then we're getting some blue pine tongue and groove to go on the ceilings. And the floor is all done in here. The doors are in. Hi. We got a handle on one door. And these are the two cabinets that we've got the darker stain one, they're dirty, is for the kitchen island, and then the other cabinets are that one. I wasn't sure I liked that color, so I made him bring them in so I could see them in here. And then I picked out a brown Italian marble countertop. We got 2 slabs of that. And I think it's actually gonna look really good. So yeah, they're getting some work done on the garage. We got garage doors in. I'm gonna pause and take you out there to see. So got the starting on the garage. And garage doors are up. But yeah, I think it will look nice when it's done. It's my mama. Okay, girls. Go girls.